I'm Seb Hayes. I'm Asset Management Director at Silverstone Park. Well, Silverstone Park is a business park located effectively next to Silverstone Circuit, and a lot of occupiers are related to the motorsport industry, but we're now diversifying and attracting high-tech, advanced engineering and other related businesses. So we bought the park back in 2013. It was 300 acres of undeveloped land with some commercial uses on it. Over time, we've got planning consent for 1.5 million square feet. There's probably about 1 million square feet now, and then we've got another 700,000 of pipeline to come. We've just completed phase 4, which is also known as Evolve East. We have plans for phase 5, which is Evolve West, and the leasing is good. A good percentage of phase 4 Evolve East has now been let up, and we've also got a pipeline of inquiries for phase 5. The important thing is we've noticed over time is the lack of amenity. So in the last year, we've delivered a nursery, which is now opened. We also have a cafe and gym, which is due to open shortly. So that's in the Innovation Centre. And the idea is to obviously create decent amenity for our occupiers. Our buildings are high quality. We invest heavily into them. They're all BREEAM Excellent, the new scheme, EPCAs. And we have a program now of rolling out solar PV panels across the estate. And we're going to look at the existing units as well to give our occupiers renewable, sustainable energy sources. And if we're going to attract the best, we need to have the best sort of buildings.